Hey guys, WeatherWheelHVAC here. I figured out today I should do the spring startups of most of my air conditioners, because why not? And it's that season again, so might as well. Today is April 2nd. It's about 60 degrees outside right now. Where I got the Gibson air sweep installed today. And it has a new bracket now. You can see this goes all the way across here. It screws into the side here. And I bet you can't do this with your air conditioner. I mean, you can freaking... Beautiful. See the outside here. Works very nicely. I'm very happy with this install. Got it plugged in. I just installed it literally like 15 minutes ago, so that's done. And looks nice here. I'm gonna try my best to seal everything up the best of my abilities once I get a minute. However, this thing hasn't ran for a good amount of time, so therefore I'm gonna do the first startups because I just put this in. I didn't even test it yet. I know it runs because I literally just did the refurbishment not long ago. However, I guess let's do it. Hopefully the thermostat clicked. Here we go. Oh, nothing. Great. Maybe I can do that. Sometimes I can convince the thermostat if I do that. Let's try it again. Well, I'll come back to you guys once I get this thing warmed up a little bit. Alright, I think I got it clicked over. Let's fire it. This thing's probably gonna rattle quite a bit since this is like the first startup. Let's try it. Come on. Oh, you know what? I have it on fan. Let's try cool. I am dumb. There we go. Honestly, this thing gives me the confidence that I might be able to I can install some larger units in here if I ever want to. Because my main concern before, with when I had this thing installed originally, is that this thing, all the weight of this entire 6,000 BTU unit with a recip was all on this window, which I didn't really like. However, now it's onto the window frame, which I trust. Like, I mean, I'm like putting force on it, and this thing's not gonna budge. So, I'm happy. I'm very happy with this install. Granted, there's a few air gaps that I have to seal up and everything, but that's expected. I mean, what do you expect? So, I guess let's get a look from the outside, and then let's go for the speeds real quick. You can see I did some upgrades to it. I got a new grill on it. You know, see, Gibson. Let's try medium cool. And high cool. And it doesn't rattle on high anymore, thank fuck. Let's go get a look from the outside. It's running. See, I finally got a logo on it too, so that's cool. This thing looks really nice. I'll do that one next. It's not on a direct slant because I couldn't be bothered to adjust. It's on a good enough slant. It's like it's about it's good enough honestly for what I need. Check the other side. The other side I think is a little slanted up. I don't know if it's just bracket being uneven or something. Yeah, it's on a good enough slope. It'll drain out. Oh, yeah, there it is. Gibson's installed for the year, hopefully. Let's go take a look at the other units we got. Alright, back in here. She's blowing ice cubes, as it should. Let's see. Let's see if she's sweating. Let's take a quick look underneath the cover. Here are the specifications for tire coil is ice cold. So it's not really humid today, so it's not condensating. However, it's good enough. It's all the way cool, so can't really ask for much more than that. I really need to start using a tripod. I have a tripod, I'm too lazy to use it. I need to start using it. My camera works shaky. Alright. I didn't install the installation because I really did not know how it would go with this bracket, so I'll save that for next time. Alright, let's cut it down, shut it off. As the Gibson still does, it rattles on shutdown as it does. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, here's our first actual startup for the year. First startup of the year. I unplugged this thing back in I want to say November. I unplugged this one. So we're gonna plug it back in. Alright, sorry for the back camera work again. Plug it in right here. All right. Let's try high fan. All right, fan works. No fan works. I guess I'm just gonna start off from in here. All right, here we go. There I do. I'll compress it on this side. Here we go. Oh, no compressor. Here we go. Let's do it. Let's do it the old-fashioned way. Let's pull that out and twist. Do the undocumented constant run. Here we go. Sounds like it has something in it. Go outside, I guess. That much of a startup. I have it on high cool or did I put it on low? It's on low. Yeah, it's high. Alright. Let's give this thing a minute and we'll come back to it, I guess. Alright, I'll open up the cover a little bit. I feel the refrigerant's starting to get cold. It's icing up over here a little bit. Let's put it in between speeds. Oh yeah, it's climbing up. Alright. Reach the top pretty quickly. Yeah, it works. Runs good. I'll show you guys the data sheet in case you guys want to see that. $8,000 BTUs. This back on. And we're back. There we go. Alright, the thing built head pressure is running good. Put it in between speeds for a second here. Alright, let's check the outside again real quick. Compressor sounds like it's definitely built head pressure. It's blowing warm out. Sounds pretty good. This restoration's been holding up just alright. Yeah, there's a few chips on it, but like, bottom's still in pretty good shape. Paint's holding up alright too. I think it came out okay. Considering I did this like within a week or so. It's a pretty quick restoration, but it's holding up alright. The top even still looks good too. It's like no signs of rust. It's running good. Don't mind that noising. Silver motor. See, we got the 90s Friedrich over here chilling. Alright, let's shut it off. High cool. Alright, now we have to move on to the central units that I got. Alright, for a change, we're going to do it from like this point of view. We're going to go right up, down on the fan. So, let's go fire this thing up. Alright, here we go. Alright, she's running. See on my camera recording. It's running good. Let's see, we're getting cold, so that's a good sign. See, there's a lot of moss on this stupid locking lug here. Yeah, she's getting cold. 410A. I'll get a picture of the tag. There you go. Made in January of 2017. This unit is now, how old? About 6 years old now, actually, which is weird to think about. 5 or 6 years old already. See, I got a little bit of a few weeds just growing around it back here. I'll have to pull those out when I get a chance. I'll have to re-tag a little bit. I've tried to preserve these the best I can. These Ream logos. Got the other one just chilling here. These need to be cleaned again. I'll clean these probably either whenever summer break starts or sometime within spring break if I have time. We'll see. I'm not in a rush to clean them. For now, as long as they function, I'm happy. So yeah, we'll let this thing run for a little bit and we'll we'll do the other one. Alright, it's been running for quite a bit now. It's nice and warm out here. She's sweating, actually. It's like sweating. It's getting nice and icy. Nice. It's basically where I want it, so I think we'll shut her down. Forgot to mention as well. It has a jet tech motor and a Copeland scroll compressor. Emerson Copeland scroll, specifically. Yeah, I'll get a better view of it when it's off. Well, we'll go shut it down. Some blowing ice cubes. We'll shut it down. There we go. Alright, this one's shut off nicely. Try to get a compressor tag off of this for you guys. Yeah, there you go. Emerson Copeland scroll. Before we start this guy up, I already have my camera set up. This one has a ProTech motor and also has an Emerson Copeland scroll. If my camera would focus, that is. Let's see. There you go. Alright, it's time to hit this one. Let's see what happens. There's the fan. Alright, she's up and running. It's rattling, as it does. I'm not gonna lie, it's actually getting cold a little bit. Not as quickly as this one, but it's getting there. Fabricated June of 2016. As you can hear, this thing actually is a lot louder. Like, I actually have to raise my voice in order to talk over this thing. Meanwhile, this one I barely had to raise my voice. This one I had to. It's about 65 degrees out today. Figured I'd do this because we might need them on Thursday. Possibly it's getting up to 77, so parents told me go fire them up, make sure they're working right, so here we are. We're gonna let this thing run for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see how she runs. Alright, it's been running for a little bit now. Got through a video. Dog of Wisdom 2. I don't know why I'm saying this, but okay. But yeah, I watched through that, and now I'm gonna check up on it. Let's see what we got. It's cold, not sweating. It's not as cold as the other one, but hey, you can only do so much with a bad TXV. At least that's what I'm narrowing it down to, because it has enough refrigerant. Hell, it's holding its charge, obviously, but like even after it got recharged, fresh out of the box, it was still not cooling, right? So I think it's the TXV, something that's probably jammed in it. Blowing nice and warm out of it, so that's good. Guess we'll go shut it off. I'm gonna shut it off. There we go. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.